Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a video on iPhone. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now if you're on your iPhone, you have a specific video that you want to play over and over and over again, I'm going to show you how to do it. Now you can download some video editing apps, but you have to basically sometimes pay for them if you go through the process of having yet another app on your phone. What I like to do is just open up a web browser, and there's an online tool that's completely free. It's called easygif.com. Here you can see at the very top the URL to go to. Now once you're in here, we're just going to tap video to GIF, and we're going to scroll down and choose file. You can either upload a video or you can just take one directly. And here, I'm just going to take a quick video here, switch over to video. So basically, that's the video that I'm gonna loop. Keep in mind, if you wanted to loop a video, you have to convert it to a GIF. Basically, what a GIF is, it is a loop video. It plays over and over and over again and never ends. So let's hit upload video here, and it will give us some options in terms of converting it. So you can see if I scroll down, it says start and end time. Basically, I can cut it or trim it if I want the size that I want, frame rate, and the method. Now when I'm ready, I can hit just convert to GIF here, and you can see now it will play this on repeat. It will just go back and forth perpetually in a loop. Now if I'm happy with that, I could compress it, crop it, resize a bunch of different stuff. But when I'm ready, I can hit save here and then just download, and that will download it to Safari. I can tap the download arrow at the bottom left and then go to downloads here, and now here you can see there is this loop video right here. I can do whatever I want with it. I can hit the share button at the bottom left. I can text it, email it, I can add it to my profile library. I can do whatever I want with it. I can even upload it to Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff directly from here. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.